Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of home security with a product that's making waves in the industry. Introducing the Vosker V150 solar-powered LTE cellular home security outdoor camera. Now, before we delve into the features, let me tell you why this is hands down the best hidden camera with night vision available in the market. First off, let's talk about security. With its cellular connectivity, this camera doesn't rely on Wi-Fi, making it perfect for remote locations where traditional security systems fall short. Plus, its motion-activated sensor ensures that you'll never miss a beat, day or night. Speaking of night vision, the V150 boasts impressive night vision capabilities, thanks to its advanced technology. Whether it's pitch black or just low light, this camera delivers crystal clear images, giving you peace of mind around the clock. Now, let's talk about convenience. Setting up the V150 is a breeze. With its built-in solar panel and long-lasting rechargeable battery, you can say goodbye to the hassle of frequent charging. Plus, the included SIM card means you can get up and running in no time, without the need for a third-party provider. But perhaps the best part is the V150's seamless integration with your mobile device. With the Vosker app, you can receive instant notifications whenever motion is detected, allowing you to keep tabs on your property from anywhere in the world. So there you have it, folks. The Vosker V150 solar-powered LTE cellular home security outdoor camera truly sets the standard for hidden cameras with night vision. With its unparalleled security features, effortless setup, and seamless mobile integration, it's no wonder why this camera is flying off the shelves. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. Until next time, stay safe and happy filming.